I keep on winning, cause winning is all that matters. You're my family, my friends, my enemies, go to well. I keep on winning, cause winning is all that matters. You're my family, my friends. Now I'ma tell the world, tell them, I'ma tell it everywhere I go. Tell the world, tell them, yeah, I'm a billboard.
Hey, you know if you crack me up. Listen to me, man. Give them an intro.
Yo, you don't know it's a girl MELICASKYLIFE in the building. Yo, what are them?
And Punki Skylife in the building. Yeah.
Stephanie, please say your intro over. Please.
Hold on. Yeah, you don't know. Melica, you can't laugh, man.
Mommy, okay. You want to say it over again?
Yeah.
Yo, you don't know it's a girl MELICASKYLIFE in the building and Punki Skylife in the building. Yo!
I wanted them.
Hi guys, welcome to the video. We are going to do the YouTube tag today, and Stephanie is going to read the questions. I really name her Stephanie, but I call her
Punki. Yeah. Punki, yeah.
Punki, I appreciate the video quality. Yeah, so we are going to run through some questions and answer them. There are 30 of them. I'm not sure if we're going to go through all 30 because we don't want the video to be too long. But what we want you to do is to please remember to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscription button so that we can grow the family, as well as share with one of your friends because we want to grow. You know. Start, Mr. Bunny?
I did that one. Can I see some more questions?
No. What you wonder about? Take from this 30. The top 30.
So what I know that you have. Well, anyways, guys, this is the get to know me tag. So the first question is, where did you grow up?
We grew up one place, Serena, Jamaica. Yeah, I'm from Jamaica. Where are you from?
Melica, where? Melica, which part did you come from?
We come from the same place. We grew up in a community in Montego Bay. We are Montegonians. We have never lived anywhere else. We've lived here all of our lives. You know, Jamaica, Moby, girl. Sorry.
So the next question is, who is your first best friend?
Oh, my first best friend. I feel like we did that tag already. My first best friend was my cousin. Her name is Karen. She lives right up the road. Yeah, that was my first best friend. I don't have much friend in my lifetime, but that was my first best friend.
My first best friend was Kevana. She is my cousin. Yeah, she lived down the road. So yeah.
Opposite direction.
Yeah. So yeah, that's Kevana. Big up yourself. Yeah.
Big up yourself, girl. We see you.
The next question is, how tall are you? Well, I'm 5'6".
I am 5 feet 3 inches.
Melica, stop telling me about 5'4", Melica.
Yeah, but 5'3", 5'4", and then I wrong in the same place. 5'3", 5'4", you can't wrong with them the eye because yeah, 5'3", 5'4", about that.
Okay, so which do you prefer, dogs or cats?
None of them. A joke. Dogs, because we have a new dog now named Rex. I tell about the boy, I can't get problem.
Yeah, dogs.
Cats make me sneeze, me have sinus, I can't manage them.
Funniest moments throughout high school.
High school funniest moments? You have your funniest moments ready available? Funniest moment throughout high school.
I not have none.
Oh, let me tell you my funniest moment throughout high school. when I was getting to high school, I used to round up, shape up my head and round up and thing.
What you mean round up?
That's
what she have herself?
Yeah, go Baba go make them round you up. You know, some people have box. Back in the days we used to round up. So go Baba round up my head and say me I come over. He say me come over and catch up my ear. God, my headline gone back. Embarrassing for go to school. I'm off to go to school. My round up messed up. So that was my my funniest moment, I think. That I can remember.
What? Well, me not have none, guys, so me not gonna tell no. The next question is, what year were you born? I was born in 2000, yeah. Oh, you skin a teeth up,
I don't know when you're born. I don't know when you're born.
2000, guys.
I was born in 1992. I'm a 90s baby.
What is your favorite drink?
Alright. My favorite drink is water right now.
Melica, you lie.
Stefan, me love water, what you mean? What my favorite drink? What my favorite? You ever see me drink nothing else?
I don't know if I drink alcohol resort, but
Why you telling people that I'm work?
anyways, my favorite
But
drink
wait,
is...
otherwise from what? No. The water is my favorite neutral drink. I don't like alcohol, but if I need to drink something alcoholic, I'm gonna take a Smirnoff, which me can't manage it too long. Yeah.
My favorite drink is Buster, guys.
I'm gonna tell her so she need to stop drinking Buster because it's not good for your system. Can me run out of breath? Punki na sweat on it, something I say Punki no right. You need to drink water.
You're wearing perfume. What scent is it? Green.
Girl, you fire yourself. I'm wearing Are you answer for yourself? No, must say you answer for yourself. Must say you answer for yourself.
No.
She green. I smell like Versace. That's my go-to perfume these days. If you hug me up, you're gonna get a Versace smell. So if you see me in the streets and I want to bust a hug, prepare yourself to smell Versace. If you see Punki, prepare yourself to smell green.
No. But don't tell us a green eye. Anyways, guys, the next question is, what are your life goals? My life goals are, yeah, guys,
Stop kicking something. Go on.
to become a
Another
flight...
promise though. Go on.
To become... 1, to become a flight attendant. 2, to become a model.
Hi guys, I just came back to end the YouTube tag. This is our friend Chad. So we're gonna end the tutorial, so he's gonna see himself on the channel. He's a new subscriber. Big him up in the YouTube, in the comment section and be things. So we have to end the vlog right now, the video right now, because we don't have enough storage. So please remember to give this video a thumbs up. Stop looking at me so. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscription button, and definitely show the love. I'll see you on the next vlog.
Peace.
Big up.